What's up, guys? Welcome to Tio's Auto. My name is Nelson. Today we're going to be going on a virtual test drive. Got a 2001 GMC Sierra 1500. Ooh, she sounds really good. .3 V8 at the outside of this vehicle. Inside matches the outside. Carfax is good. Only thing left to do is go for a test drive. Our bumpy road. Handle this ugly bump. Nice. To be expected, some noises here and there, but this is a 20-year-old truck. Really impressed. The power just goes. The transmission shifts so perfect, I don't even feel it. Oh my God! That is an ugly road. Before, when the outside matches the inside and it matches the performance. You guys did see the motor was a little bit dirty. But that is actually exactly how you want to see a motor on this kind of truck. Don't wash the V8 because of the knock sensors. They sit kind of at an angle towards down. And when you get water in there, it collects right there in the center, and it's a pain. This is an OG truck. I can't imagine this truck when it first came out, especially with the older body style, so square and kind of just, even though it's really come back, the OBS, but they're still just kind of basic, you know. And then a model like this coming out, just blowing them all away. I can just imagine. Oh shit! Oh yeah. This thing just goes. I was impressed in the very beginning, and then you hear it roar, and it's all stock, which is crazy to see a stock one. By now you thought it'd be slammed to the floor. Thing makes 285 horsepower. Woo woo. Big Chevy guy. My whole family is Chevy. I have a 74 Chevy C10 that I'm kind of rebuilding right now. My younger brother has an 89 Chevy C1500. And we got that one like fully restored. My older brother drives a Ford. We have a lot of history with Chevy. My dad bought my truck back in the 80s, and he bought it in Patterson. And then I think my brother's truck used to be blue, and we bought that one. My dad bought that one from his brother, and we've had those trucks for like, in our family for like 20-30 years. I mean, a Chevy like that is something that you do not get rid of. It's something that you do not sell. You know, my dad gave me that truck. My dad gave both of my brothers those two trucks, those two Chevys, and we'll never sell them. Never. I hope I never have to sell. So we were driving her pretty hard for about 20 minutes now, and you can see all the gauges. Oil pressure is up, and I believe the oil pressure is, yeah, it's an actual gauge. So every time oil pressure goes up, you see the gauge go up, and when the oil pressure is down, you see it go down. And what I mean by that is giving a little bit of gas, and it goes up. That's perfectly normal. That's the way it's supposed to be. Our fuel is good, voltage is good, temperature is good. Here in the doors, lock, unlock, windows, automatic window too, which is cool. Mirrors are working, I just adjust. If it's not an AMG, they can send it back. So the radio's not perfect. It doesn't have anything special. Just a radio and some speakers. Let's see our ACs. Oh, it's super cold, and as these age, they kind of tend to make noise. You know, the fan in the bottom can start wearing out, making noise. These sun visors. Wow, super clean. They do not extend, so they're just kind of like that, just moving back and forth. But they're in really good shape. I mean, everything in this truck is in really good shape. Whoever had it took very good care of it. We got ourselves a winner, and you can tell right away with this truck, this thing is a winner. This is working, and it has the same kind of material on it. The steering wheel is just beautiful. It's so perfect. Steering wheel is just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. It's perfectly wrapped, and it feels so good. You can feel it right off the bat. You're getting a lot of power here. Transmission is real smooth, and that is because we do the services here. We had new motor oil on it, new transmission oil. You know, you got to drop the pan, all that kind of stuff, new filter. But all that has been done. The smog check on it, we have the Carfax, and we are just doing our best to sell the most reliable vehicles we can. 19 MPG on the freeway, let's find out. $65 down the freeway, and it is perfect. The alignment looks to be okay. I mean, the alignment's not perfect, but there's no shakiness in the wheel. Let me see if I can go 70. Oh, I can go 70, man. This thing just picks up. Holy crap. Woo! Our brakes, there's no one behind us. Slowed down to 60 with no hesitation. Didn't feel anything funky, didn't hear any noises. Low mileage, 01 with 135,000 miles, you just don't see that anymore. It just needs maybe some wheels. It just has the steel wheels, which are actually looking really good and in good shape. But with some wheels, it would probably just pop. Best thing to do was go for a test drive, and this thing totally passes the test drive. Let me know how much miles your GMC Sierra has, because right now at the dealership we have a 97 GMC Sierra with 275,000 miles, and it runs good.